How to create a payment link on Stripe. First of all, to generate it, simply complete your login on your dashboard. Now, once you're logged in, simply open payment links. Type payment links in the top search bar or click More plus on the left menu and select on Payment Links. Then simply select on Product. Under Find or Create a Product, choose an existing item or click Add New Product to set a name, price, and image and description. Then simply customize your checkout. Toggle option to collect customer addresses, phone numbers, or tax information, add custom fields, or set promo code limits. Also check whether to choose the customer to redirect to your own website or display a default Stripe confirmation message. And lastly, you just have to tap on Create Link in the top right, copy the URL to share via email, social media, or text messages to the persons. And in this way, you can easily create a payment link, Stripe. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.